I'm going to burp John's face.
Ooh. Yuck. Valeria. How dare you burp into my face? That's it, I will call your mom. Hello Miss Sally, you will not believe this. Valeria burps into my face. Can you please ground her when she gets home? Splend. Okay. Bye.
Valeria did what? Oh, she's so grounded. Thanks for calling me. Goodbye. Valeria, I can't believe you burp into Cena's face. That's it. You are grounded for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0 1 4 7 8 6 4 1 2 5 7 2 1 0 4 6 5 3 1 8 2 7 6 5 8 0 0 1 2 3 5 4 7 8 6 7 6 5 4 8 3 2 1 0 0 0 years.
But Mom, I am so sorry.
Well, your apology is declined. Go upstairs to your room and go to bed right now.